Hello everyone, welcome to my channel guys. So today I'm going to do another haul. I just arrived from outside and it's snowy today. So I have here some items from Primark, but this is like different places as you know me. So I will unbox some Primark and some from B&M, some from Donnell. Look what I have here. So okay, I have a little sore throat today. So first is, maybe I will show you this suitcase that I purchased for my son. So this one is of course from Primark. This is 30 pounds. Actually, I checked online. I cannot find something like this because it's so vibrant, so pretty, you know. And then it's 4 wheels, and inside of course like how it should be. And then at Primark, okay, this is 46.5 with 32 dip 20, so it's good to have this. Yeah, it's so cute guys, look at that. So that is from Primark, 30 pounds. And next that I want to show you is the one from Home Bargains. This one I purchased it for 10 pounds. Last time I purchased something for the outside, and then this time also because I feel like I need more decor. Because what I have, the Christmas decor is for inside. So I think later we will install the Christmas tree. So this one, actually it's very affordable. Cannot just open it. It's so hard to open. Maybe I go to the other one. But my son wants to open it, to use it, you know, because it's sitting here for like 3 days or 4 days. And then I said, no, I will just... So let's... Oh God, I need scissors. Maybe I show you the Primark things. Ouch. Okay. It's almost. Yeah, because also I'm excited. This is battery operated also because I feel like it's better for me. Okay, so oh, it's good. It's not too small. This is the height. Look at that. It's actually pretty long. So I prefer to shop in Home Bargains guys, because they have really like cheaper like Christmas decor or items like that. Yeah, and then battery. I can just put here. I don't have battery yet, but it looks nice. Yeah, I'm happy for this purchase like that. You just put it in. Oh my God. Oh my God. And then let's put it back. I think I will let my son arrange it outside. Then I grabbed this from Home Bargains also because this one is sale. So I just grabbed it for the neighbor because we have many kids here in the neighborhood. So they play with my son, so I'll give them. And then in this one, I purchased this lunchbox. This is 4 pounds from 7 pounds. It's sale. That's why I grabbed it. Oh, actually, yeah, because the lunchbox of my son is like old already. And then supposedly I wanted to buy the one in Home Bargains, but they don't have for the water holder. Last time I saw they have so nice and I didn't purchase, and now they don't have. So I just decided to purchase this. I didn't like it that much, but better than nothing, you know. So that is 4 pounds. Then next, this is 5 to 6. So this is $7.50. Then I just purchased it 4 pounds. It's really inexpensive. because my son have so many clothes already. I just grab it because every year they have something in school that they need to wear yellow, so at least he can use it next year. So that's the reason why I purchased it, because it's yellow, and he loves Pokemon too, so that's nice. And then next is this trouser, because he can use it also for school. I showed this one to you last time, and it's better than the one that I purchased in Matalan. So in Matalan, sofas become like here, so this one is good. The next is this one. So I don't normally really buy so many things in Primark in one go. It's because I always visit Primark, so you know, receipt. And next time that I visit Primark, this is the only one there's other, like 2 more. So this one is £5. It's actually £10, but I just purchased it £5. I don't need to wear this, but maybe I give it to somebody, or I just leave it here, and maybe I need it in the future. Yeah, just £5. I have like this before, but I'm not so sure if this is as comfy as that one, but